Hello, welcome to the Weather Hazard Briefing presented by Weather Service Office Pocatello for Saturday, October 28th. Here's what you'll see in this briefing. We have some weak low pressure moving through today that could bring some flurries with the abundant low level moisture we have in the atmosphere this morning. However, snow accumulation should be negligible and it will be clearing by the afternoon with a light to moderate north wind, which should last pretty much all day. North wind will continue, and this will bring in some Arctic air, and that means some very cold temperatures starting tonight. And even this afternoon, temperatures will struggle to warm into the 30s at the lower elevations, such as the Snake River Plain and Magic Valley. And then overnight lows should be very cold, from near zero in Stanley Basin to 10 to 20 degrees Fahrenheit in the Snake River Plain. Those cold temperatures will continue for another night. And then along about Tuesday or so, we will stop this north wind and we'll shift to more of a west wind, and that will end the incoming cold air, and we'll start to see some strong warming at that point. So here's a satellite image from this morning. If you recall, the light blue colored cloudiness is very low elevation cloudiness. I would say below about 5,000 feet or so. You can see it is quite widespread, and as low pressure moves through this, it will trigger some light flurries around in the area, but that will be moving out, and north winds will be taking over, and we'll see much drier air as the day progresses. So low temperatures this morning with the cloud cover still kind of mild for what we're going to be expecting, with temperatures in the 20s here down in the Snake River Plain and single digits and teens in the mountains. This is our weather risk outlook. You can see there's not much besides the next couple of days after today being cold, but we are looking at sunny skies. Whatever little bit of snow showers we have will be mostly limited to the Snake Plain and the southeast and eastern highlands. And here's what the weather pattern looks like. What will be happening over the next couple of days is this low that gave us all the precipitation over the past couple of days. This will continue to move to the southeast and away from us, and this high pressure will solidify and strengthen. So this morning, just any sort of measurable snow should be well along the Wyoming border, maybe a few flurries in the higher elevations between US 93 and State Route 75. And then wind gusts, you can see how the northerly wind is developing. We're actually looking for it to be pretty gusty in the northern end of the Snake River Plain and through especially Clark County. And these are gusts, so it's gusting to around 30 to 35 miles an hour. We'll continue this afternoon and notice that the northerly winds will extend all the way except for the eastern Magic Valley where it stays westerly. And then this evening you can start to see even in the eastern Magic Valley the winds are starting to get a north component to them. And you can see it becomes very calm almost in the Central Idaho Mountains. And then late tonight you can see almost nothing really happening, but still kind of gusty here in the northern end of the Snake River Plain and in the upper Snake Highlands. Okay, here are the high temperatures for today. So as I said, it will struggle to get into the 30s down here in the lower elevations, but we should see middle to upper 30s in places like the lower Snake River Plain and in the eastern Magic Valley. We have no low temperatures during the overnight for tonight. These slides did not process correctly, but we are looking for temperatures in the Stanley Basin to be around 0 degrees. Temperatures in the Pocatello to Idaho Falls area will be in the 10 to 15 degree range, and pretty much everyone, very few places will see temperatures remain above 20. Most will be in that 0 to 20 degree range tonight. So the high temperatures for Sunday, you can see it up a little bit, maybe 1 to 4 degrees, except here in the Stanley Basin where the north winds will have a harder time getting established and remaining. You You can see they will actually spike up and be warmer than some of the Snake River Plain elevations. And again, another cold night for Sunday night with very little change, maybe up 1 to 4 degrees. And then here are the high temperatures for Monday. And really, the rest of this presentation will just be what the temperatures will be doing. So we are looking for temperatures nearing 50 degrees now in the lower elevations of this eastern Magic Valley. And you can see Stanley at 49 degrees. And here you can start to see, once again, widespread teens in even on Tuesday morning here for the Snake River Plain. But in the eastern Magic Valley, as those north winds cease, we will start seeing temperatures in the 20s, and even in the lower Snake River Plain, Pocatello getting to 23. And you can see we are trending warmer here on Tuesday as those northerly winds end and the westerly winds kick in. And you can see much milder for overnight, Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, with widespread temperatures in the 20s. And Wednesday, again, nice warm temperatures with lower to middle 50s for much of the lower Snake River Plain and the eastern Magic Valley. So all I have. If you have any further questions, you can always check out the weather yourself at weather.gov/Pocatello, or you can contact us at this telephone number here. Thanks for watching.